Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important grammar concepts in English, relative pronouns. So what exactly are relative pronouns? Simply put, they are words that are used to connect two clauses or sentences together. They do this by referring to a noun that was mentioned earlier in the sentence, and they help us avoid repeating that same noun again. There are 5 main relative pronouns in English: who, whom, whose, who and whom. These pronouns are used to refer to people. Who is used as the subject of the sentence, while whom is used as the object of the sentence. For example, the man who is standing over there is my uncle. In this sentence, who is the subject, and it refers back to the noun, man, that was mentioned earlier. This pronoun is used to show possession. It is used to refer to both people and things. For example, the book whose cover is red is mine. In this sentence, whose is used to refer to the noun, book, and it shows that the book belongs to me. This pronoun is used to refer to things or animals. It can be used as both the subject and the object of the sentence. For example, the car which I bought last week is very fast. In this sentence, which is the subject and it refers to the car that was mentioned earlier. This pronoun can be used to refer to both people and things. It is often used as a more general pronoun, and it can be used in both restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. For example, the book that I read last night was very interesting. In this sentence, that refers to the noun, book, and it tells us which book the speaker is talking about. So there you have it, the 5 main relative pronouns in English. By using them correctly, you can make your writing and speaking more clear and concise. Make sure to practice using these pronouns in your own sentences, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.